So today we have a simple recipe. It's been chilly outside, so let's get right into it. I'm making a tomato soup, and a side I will be adding a grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, perfect. So here I have my comal. What I'm going to be doing, I am going to be roasting my tomato. I am going to be adding the grated Parmesan cheese. Look how yummy it looks. And you guys, it smells so good. And we haven't even added the cheese yet. Okay, so we are going to be adding the Parmesan cheese little at a time. We don't want it to clump up while it's in there. We want to make sure that it all dissolves and combines very well with our soup. So therefore we are going to be adding it little at a time. Okay, so I added one handful. Now I'm going to be adding more. Okay, here's our next. Alrighty. And it smells so good. I cannot stop saying it. And it feels so good. Like I said, it's cold outside. So this actually helps out really good. And it's a small pot, so I mean it feeds more than 4, so that's great. And as you can see, we added that cheese and look, it's getting thicker. So you can thicken it, you can leave it as long as you want so it thickens to your liking, okay? But I will tell you, when you add the heavy cream and you add the heavy cream and the half and half, it'll make it thick. Plus the tomato, these are components that make your soup or your stews thick. And also we are adding our cheese, so it'll make it thicker too. Okay, let's add our last handful of cheese. Bam. Well, our second to last. And you guys can add more cheese if you like, or as little or as more as you like. Okay, make it to your liking, make it to your taste. I will be leaving all that information down below to my WordPress, my food blog, which is Abu's Cafe, Abu is so funny because Josh is always telling me it says a bus cafe. Abu, to me, ABU is actually abuela. So my son calls his grandma Abu since he was little. So that's where that came from. So Abu's cafe, that means abuela's cafe. So isn't that awesome what the mind can come up with? So those are very special things to me. You know, my son, my family, and obviously, you know, his abuela. So those are really great things and that I put together. And of course I love food, so that's where it came from. Recipe from mi casita to your casita. My homemade tomato soup with grilled cheese. I hope you guys try it, and if you do, you guys know what to do. Send me a message to my Instagram. Also, don't forget to check out my WordPress where I leave all my easy recipes. Alright guys, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Bye.
And don't forget to be yourself and stay true to yourself. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. See ya. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh, that one.
Alright, so here's what I was telling you guys, that he was adding it to this right here. Alright, who's going first? You or me? It does smell good though.
Yeah,
Don't bite so much. What if you start choking? What if I get the milk real quick?
Yeah, here I go. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Drink some. Oh my god, stop!
That's spicy.